another exciting episode. Today we're at the Delta Flight Museum, or Delta Museum of Flight. Not exactly sure what better to say right about there. So, come along with me and see what we can see. As you can see here, admission is $15 per adult, $10 for kids, and children under 4 are free. The museum's hours are Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday from 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. They are closed on Wednesdays, but open Sunday, noon to 4:30. Now to get up here, there are elevators, if you need it, or there are a couple stairs. So it is handicap accessible, so come on in and check that plane out. It has a wonderful history, and there's a little movie in there that shows exactly what that plane's all about. The Delta Flight Museum is located in Delta's original 1940-era aircraft hangars in Atlanta. The hangars became the Delta Air Transport Heritage Museum and restoration facility for Delta's first 21-passenger Douglas DC-30 in 1995. In 2011, the attraction was designated a historic aerospace site. For a little extra, you can go ahead on a flight simulator. Not this one. That one.
Keep the nose up as we approach the runway.
Starting in 1995, the Delta Flight Museum, it was designed to celebrate the story and people of Delta. and discover the future of flight. The museum was recently renovated into a world-class attraction that offers engaging exhibits and interactive programming for aviation enthusiasts of all ages. And of course they have their own museum store right on site. We also have outside aircraft to do. But we're going to start with this guy, 747. So let's go check out the 747. Okay, just off the wing, there is a small building that attaches off to the aircraft. That is where the elevator is, in case you need handicap assist. And in case anybody was wondering, yes, they do have facilities right underneath the aircraft, right next to the elevator. Now, standing in the heart of Delta's Atlanta headquarters, the 68,000 square foot attraction has made a perfect outing for families, friends, school groups, and many more. Now, this space also can be rented for, special events, including business meetings, conferences, weddings, whatever you like. And it has this historic glamour and modern amenities. It is a one-of-a-kind venue within a mile of the world's busiest airport. So as you're there, you do see aircraft coming in, going out. So if you like to be aircraft watchers, this is a great museum to go to. The Delta Flight Museum explores the history of Delta and the future of flight with an array of interactive exhibits and rare aviation items. Now, in the training session of the flight simulator, which by the way is the only full motion sim that's open to the public in the US, you can have all kinds of fun in that thing. Now, it does cost extra, of course, to get in that. However, it might be worth the extra money if you've never been in a full-size real simulator before. You can also check out a restored 1940s Douglas DC-3 passenger plane and the Waco 125 biplane, which is the only aircraft of its kind remaining. And it can also engage kids, and of course us kids at heart, with a scavenger hunt exploring various exhibits, including a Boeing 767 pre-flight pilot checklist and more. Now, whether you're interested in a tour through the history of Delta and aviation, or you're eager to test your own pilot skills, or looking for a hands-on experience for your kids, going to the Delta Flight Museum might be a really good idea. I know it was for us. Collard greens, ribs, broccoli and cheese, and a vegetarian. Got the vegetarian plate. There we go. Everyone else got ribs. So, and cornbread, of course. Well, thank you very much for joining us for the Delta Flight Museum. And as always, have a great day.